Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pesta. In this video I am going to show you how to install DirectX on Windows 11 computer. DirectX is an application programming interface developed by Microsoft for Windows and Xbox. It's improved the performance for your computer while playing the video games. This video explains about how to install the DirectX on your Windows 11 computer. First you have to open the Google search engine. Here you have to search the DirectX. Then you have to select the Microsoft website. It will be open the Microsoft website with the DirectX link. So you have to carefully check the URL. You have to download only from Microsoft website. So here you have to select the language. They have provided for the some language. So you can select as you need. I'm choosing only for the English. So then we have to click on the download. After downloaded the exe, you have to double click on the exe. It will be open the DirectX installation window. So you have to accept the agreement, then click on the next. Then if you would like to select the Bing bar, so you have to select, click on next. Now the DirectX setup is installing in your computer. So once completed the installation, you have to click on the finish. That's it. Now the DirectX successfully installed in your computer. So now you can go to your desktop. Here you have to search the DXD IAG. This is the DirectX diagnostic tool. So you have to click on this. This will be open the DirectX diagnostics tool window. Under the system tab, you can check it out your system configuration, memory, everything. It will be shows the DirectX versions. The DirectX 12 is for the latest version for Windows 11. So you can also click on the next page to view for the all information. Under the note section, if you found any error, it will be shows here. So in this way you can install the DirectX and check the diagnostic tool in your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.